What's up, guys? It's Fish and Pips here again. We have some pretty good news here with GBP coming out. Go ahead and pull this up for you guys. In about 4 minutes. I'm usually sleeping at this point, but as you can see, we're still in this London, not London, this short from New York. Pretty good play. Take it from up here. Look at where we are relative to the hour. Pretty good position, pretty good movement. Obviously, I'll be looking to close if we break above this previous support structure here that we have. But I don't think it should be too much of a problem. Hopefully it's not. If it is, right? If you're new to the stream, if you're new to the stream, you know, if you're new to the stream, I know the first stream we had, it wasn't there was no volume. I had a problem with the audio, but we got that fixed, so we're all good. Um, like I said, I'm not really going to be looking for too many trades or any trade opportunity really, unless one is presented to us. I want to see this potentially get filled. See what we get. Take a fib from the top to the pullback here. This one here. Waiting. 3 minutes. So we're up 42 pips here. I took partials at 30. I closed half the position at 30. Because we're still in a pretty iffy area. Granted, we came to fill this gap here in the weekly, but just where we are in terms of like the weekly fib placement, which I got here, right? Here's that gap from the week, and you can see we tagged the 79 fib. Hopefully, we can get some bearishness to push it down, and get that wick. But if not, no stress. Truthfully, I'm thinking the true London session, not this news that's coming out, but the true London session, we may get some bullish momentum to stop out Asia sellers, these sellers here, and then reverse back down. We still do have this match gap here that was left unfilled. News comes out in 17 seconds. Might get a big push up, continue down. If we continue down, I'm not chasing any trades. Just want to see where we are. So figured I'd get the stream in just to show you guys how things can tend to move with news. And how not to trade it. So the one thing my mentor Tyler over at Division One Trading, make sure you go check him out. That is Division, the #1 trading. He's pretty much taught me everything I know. He has his own academy, and the biggest thing he preaches is to not chase price by any means. So, especially in a news event like this, you do not want to chase price. See how those numbers were for GBP. Really focused on the high impact. There was a lot of see how we do. Where the GDP, Great Domestic Product numbers didn't come out yet. Medium impact did. It was less, so we should be bearish on GBP. Those are the only numbers that came out. Okay. Manufacturing is lower, bearish. Should be expecting some bearish pressure there. Just coming out worse than expected. GBP on both ends. The big one is going to be how the Great Domestic Product was for the quarter. That's what's really going to make this thing go. Three-month average Great Domestic Product news, they were better than average. Industrial production low, manufacturing production low. A lot of news coming out worse than expected for Great British Pound. See how dollar's looking since we're not getting any movement here. So dollar, we cleared the highs. Last lower highs here, we cleared those. It's just a matter of retest. We dipped back below. It's really no problem. Yeah, now we're kind of just sitting there. So dollar news was actually really good earlier today during New York. That's how we got this successful pre-New York Open sell for GBP. Mm. So the high impact news, which was really gonna do it all for the year, was better than expected, which means it is bullish. See, we're kind of consolidating here now. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna hop into a VIP Zoom. Um, the academy that I'm in. That is Division 1. So we'll follow back up and see how this goes.